Hello everyone and welcome to day 10 of Craftmas. Today we're going to be making a bow wreath, and you're probably thinking to yourself, well, didn't you already make a wreath? Yes. Yes, back in day 2 I made a wreath full of baubles. I'll link it above and below. It's awful, it's a horrible thing to do, but this one's a lot easier, it's a lot less time consuming, and you do get some really nice results as well, so we'll jump straight in. Okay, so all you're going to need for this one, very similar to the one we made earlier, is a polystyrene wreath. You can get these on Amazon or your local craft store, and I found these ribbons on Amazon, and they come in like loads of different sizes and colours, and they're really nice. They weren't too expensive, but you could probably pick some similar ones up from your local craft store as well. And all we're going to do is take our glue gun or super glue or whatever glue it is you have, and just pop some on the back and stick it down. And the reason we're super gluing rather than kind of taking this bit off and sticking it on is because the sticky stuff on them is absolutely shite and they just fall off. So it's better to just glue it on, and that way they actually stay stuck. And yeah, and you just keep going all the way around, one after another. Make sure you go all the way around there and all the way around the sides as well. You can obviously paint the wreath as well, a different colour. It was an issue I had with my bauble one, but with this one, the ribbons cover a lot more, so you can't really see the white too much, so I wouldn't worry about it. Yeah, I also heard on the radio, apparently people think that Die Hard is a Christmas film. I don't think it is. I don't know. It's like when people, they'll put Frozen on at Christmas time, and I love Frozen, don't get me wrong, but it's not a Christmas movie. It's got snow in it and a snowman, but it's not about Christmas. It's about a woman with magic powers who can shoot ice out of her hands. It is not a Christmas movie. A Christmas movie is like Elf or Home Alone. They are Christmas movies. Home Alone's one of my favourites, actually. Let me know in the comments down below what your favourite Christmas movie is. Mine is definitely either Home Alone or Elf. What else do I like? Oh, I like that Santa one as well, where it's got that girl in from Matilda, I think. I can't remember. I can't remember the name of it, but I enjoy that film. I like that one. And again, it's just the same process as the bauble one, really. We glue all the ribbons all the way around, keep going around. This time it takes a lot less time than the bauble one. The bauble one was horrific, absolutely horrific. And this doesn't actually cost that much money, it doesn't take that long either. And once you've finished doing it all, you'll have something that looks like this. Obviously I've used smaller ones for this one, but I think it looks really good. Like really, really good. You can still see some of the wreath, the polystyrene there, but I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks really good. I think it looks a lot, well actually, I think it looks the same as the bauble one. I think they both look pretty decent. It's just the bauble one wasn't worth it. But we'll hang this up in the studio so we can get all festive. We'll hang it up with the bauble one. And yeah, make it nice. And there we have it, another wreath for the studio, this time with ribbons. Will I be doing another wreath? Maybe. Who knows? We'll see. Am I running out of ideas? Who knows? No, but hopefully you enjoyed that episode. It is a really easy one to do, and it doesn't take as long as the last one. It really doesn't. And it looks really nice. If you are enjoying the series, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. And I'll see you tomorrow for the 11th episode of Craftmas. Bye!